Hello everyone, welcome to this Lovable tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a motion designed portfolio like this using Google Nano Banana, Google Flow and Lovable with any image you want. Before we begin, the exact prompts and Lovable project details are available in the description below. Also, subscribe to Joystick AI for more tutorials on building apps and websites using AI tools. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see on screen, this is the final effect we will build. A clean landing page with a subtle motion animation created entirely from a single image. Step 1. Generate a professional headshot using Google Nano Banana. First, go to Google Nano Banana and upload any image from your gallery. This can be a casual photo, selfie, or portrait. Now, paste the provided prompt to convert this image into a professional headshot suitable for a website hero section and generate the result. Once the image is ready, download the professional headshot because we will use it in the next step. Step 2. Create motion video from the image using Google Flow. Next, head over to Google Flow and upload the headshot image you just generated. Drag the image into the start frame of your timeline. Now paste the animation prompt to generate a cinematic motion video from this still image. This will create subtle camera movement, depth, and professional motion that feels like a real video shoot. Generate the video and wait for it to render. After the video is ready, preview it and download the file. Step 3. Convert video into image frames. Now, we need to break this video into individual frames. Open any online video to frames tool and upload your video. Use settings that extract multiple frames per second. Higher frame count will produce smoother animation but also larger file size, so you can experiment with the values. Process the video, download the generated frames as a zip file and extract all the images. Keep these files ready for the final step. Step 4. Build the website in Lovable. Now open Lovable and create a new project. Use the detailed prompt provided in the description to generate a modern portfolio website from scratch. Lovable will automatically create the layout, components, and structure. Next, link your project to GitHub. Upload all the extracted video frames into your project assets. Configure the animation so the frames play sequentially, creating a smooth motion effect inside the hero section. Deploy the project, and just like that, your motion-designed portfolio landing page is live. This same workflow can be used for many use cases such as personal portfolios, startup landing pages, agency websites, product hero sections, creator pages, and marketing sites. You are essentially turning a single image into a cinematic animated experience without traditional video production. If you want the exact prompts, tools, and Lovable project details, check the description below. Subscribe to Joystick AI for more tutorials on building real products using AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.